Hey, guess what, world? Here's the greatest people. We're all at Mount Alani. But who's the fastest chef? Big Shakano Man in the Pan! Hey, guess what? This is the best looking youngest retired school teacher of all. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Ah, Big Shaka! Hey, guess what, man? We see the greatest meal right over here with the wife. But who's the fastest chef? The
man in the pan.
Ah, Big Shaka! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting for you guys. I'm at the HEC conference and we get all these amazing people here. And today is going to be a special day because I'm going to cook one of my most special product of all. Hey, drum roll! Fish eye! Okay? And this one here, you really actually eyeball the ingredients, okay? So what I do is I grab some sugar. Come on, put in some sugar. Sugar like this, right? Dump in some sake. Put in some sake, eyeball the sake. Woohoo! A little bit plain. Put in some soya. Woo! I got all excited. I just put in some garlic powder. I don't have garlic. You just eyeball them. Yeah. And I get the spoon, I kind of like mix them up like this. I will put some ginger inside, I have the leftover ginger. I should start putting in the eyes. When you put the eyes in, you put the, ooh, look at that. Oh. Yes, look at that. Man, this burger looking good already. Inside here, I put in some daunting. I like to put daunting inside because, you know, it kind of help absorb some of the flavor. Okay, I'm going to grab these and put them on the stove. There you go. Yeah, the burger will be cooking. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them up with the aluminum foil. My amazing distinguished audience were so curious. They wanted to see how the eyes were cooking in the pan. For most of them, this is the first time they ever saw such big ahi eyes. Looking good already! Okay, it's done!
Alright!
Okay, I think it's done. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put them right inside over here. Okay? Okay, wait. I'm going to show you guys how to eat this now. So I eat all the gelatin. Like, here's the eye, okay? Look at that, steaming. Bite me. Looking good. We eyeball the recipe, right? Can you see how beautiful this is? What else can I say? Auntie?
I want to smell it.
You can smell them.
Oh, it smells
It smells as good as it seems.
Well, it doesn't taste it.
Look at it, it's all dripping here. Here you go.
Yeah.
Oh!
Bravo!
Oh man, it's so awesome! Wow! You guys all should try it, okay? I'm gonna leave it there. You guys should try it. Huh? Ente. Huh?
I'm really full.
So until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan, Big Shaka. Thank you.